In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot Ticketmaster order issues when your purchase isn't going through. If you're trying to place an order and keep running into problems, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can do that often fix the issue quickly. In many cases, the problem isn't with your payment method at all. It can come from the way your connection or browser is being recognized during the checkout process. So let's go through the best ways to improve your chances of completing the order successfully. First, make sure you turn off any active VPN or proxy connection. Ticketing platforms often use security systems to detect unusual traffic, and a VPN or proxy can sometimes make your connection look suspicious or inconsistent. Because of that, the system may block or interrupt your order even if everything else looks correct. If you have a VPN running in the background, disable it completely before trying again. The same goes for any proxy settings that may be active on your device or browser. Next, clear your browser cache or simply switch to incognito or private mode. Sometimes your browser stores old session data, cookies, or cached information that can interfere with the checkout process. Clearing the cache gives your browser a fresh start. If you want a faster option, opening a new incognito or private window can often do the trick without changing your main browser settings. Then go back to the site and try the order again from a clean session. If the issue continues, switch from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot or cellular data. This helps rule out problems related to your current network. Sometimes a shared Wi-Fi connection, public network, or even a home internet connection can trigger security checks or cause connection instability during checkout. Changing networks gives you a different route to the site and can sometimes resolve the problem immediately. If you're using a phone, try cellular data. If you're on a computer, connect through your phone's hotspot and test the order that way. Finally, try placing the order using the Ticketmaster mobile app instead of a web browser. Apps can sometimes handle sessions, login states, and purchase requests more smoothly than a browser, especially during high-demand sales. Make sure the app is updated, sign in, and attempt the purchase there instead. By working through these steps carefully, you can eliminate the most common technical causes of checkout problems.